Hello and welcome back to another ADA News video for the Grap Coin YouTube account. There is no proof that the price of ADA has dropped to its lowest point. It has been going up and down without much change for a while now. Even though the market responded positively to the support zone at first, it has not been able to recover in 5 waves, leading to a corrective recovery with only 3 waves. They think the price will go up because it might be part of a correction rise. It's possible that a corrective move will lead to a bigger recovery, a move in the middle, or a crash. It's possible, but not certain that we've hit our lowest point. In fact, it's never completely clear what the odds are for corrective systems and changes in general. Because of this, help areas clear up confusion, letting you make choices like examining. In these zones, positional factors are very important. However, that is just my view. Depending on how much time is left, it might be smart to buy before the previous low. You could also trade the bigger third wave to the upside by looking for entry points in the boxes that act as guides. This wave should start here or after one more low. The situation would be orange if we had started here. In the orange wave count, this is called a diagonal design in a 1-2 layout, even though it's not very high. I think that a third wave rise can reach at least 60.5 cents, which is the 1.38 Fibonacci extension. A fourth wave and a fifth wave are expected to happen. The fifth wave peaked at 64.5 cents. Of course, these factors are very important because one of my duties is to give you exact specifications, measures that put a focus on goals that your trade system is useful, but it's not a magical tool. The problem is that there isn't much of a micro level edge if the market is just showing corrective trends. This makes the odds a little less clear. Long-term buyers should also think about the orange possibility though, because it has a very clear validation point. If the price falls below 42 cents, which is just below 41.8 cents, the orange case would not be valid. Since this is the point of invalidation, there will probably be a break in that situation right now. If not, we would have to move on. Are mostly moving in a straight line right now. The next swing high is coming up at 48 cents, so keep an eye on that. If you can get over it, the price will probably go above the trend line. This would be the first step toward a more bullish analysis. Still, from the point of view of Elliott waves, it doesn't really matter, at least not in this case in Val, where the white triangle pattern would lead to an extra low. Are likely to go down in white wave 5, while wave 4 has already crested or is still shaping up as a triangle. This is just one more thing that we don't know. In this case, you don't have to wait for all 5 steps to finish before making a deal. A burst above the 52.50 cent level is enough. Certain basic factors of the price must be met before the orange count can continue. It's not objective trading based on reward-oriented factors to guess based on the state of the market whether or not the bottom is in. The box is meant to serve as a proof point. At this point, if you trade for orange, that low must stay the same. It's really that simple and easy to understand. How to evaluate risk, the criteria. This includes things like dealing based on feelings or trying to guess the bottom before it's ready to be guessed. It's fine as long as it fits inside the cage though. It makes me very happy that it means the start of a third wave rebirth is almost here. At first, if everything goes as planned, this price increase should bring prices to $2 or more. The bull run could continue to the $4 area if everything goes as planned. You are aware that the cryptocurrency market could go down sharply even though there aren't any signs yet that this rise has started. I believe that the pressure will stay in place as long as we are below that trend line. If we are able to break through the trend line, it would mean that the market might be shifting toward a bullish view. It's still not clear, but we might keep an eye on the orange count after that. I hope that my report about ADA was both interesting and useful for you. Please click the like button if so. More price information from the market is needed to tell if the market is building a white triangle or just getting close to its bottom. Downward pressure is always a big deal. The next important sign is the trend line, which might point to a more bullish path. Thank you for your attention to the Grap coin. Please make sure you subscribe and give comments for a long time.